Connected ba siya? Hindi naman siya connected. Is it? Oh, start na tayo. Dito muna. Okay na ba? Ay. Ayan. Hi guys! Welcome to my live stream today. So, bago natin simulan yung mga TAs natin ngayong araw, ngayong gabi, siguro mag-share muna ako ng ilang mga transactions ko and then we'll go to some TAs. Simulan natin with BTC dominance and then BTC and then a few alts. So, kung may chart request kayo, just feel free to type in the live chat, in the TradingView live chat. And then, yeah, shout out din pala sa mga members ko sa group, Faye and Jao Maps. Yeah, hindi ko kasi sila na-mention kahapon. I think that's it. And yeah, ngayong araw, ito yung ilan sa mga naging transactions ko. So, kung mapapansin nyo, mostly are, I mean lahat with some conversions of realized gains to a few holdings. Like for example, di ba na-mention ko kahapon na meron akong Ethereum perpetual contracts and then yung SL ko is at 3,400. So yung 50% na yon, di ba na dan kahapon, and then nag-buyback ako sa baba, 3,365, and then pinalitan ko na yung SL niya kasi umakyat siya. So naging na siya, 3.4 na pala, ay 3.5. Kasi kahapon pala yung 3.4. And this is 3.6. So, yon. And then this Ethereum perpetual is settled in ETH. So, yung na-realize ko is yon. Realized gain is in ETH. And then a few Kosama, di ba nabili ko siya a few days ago. 326 yung nakalagay sa risk reward ratio. Pero nung tinignan ko siya, ang average entry price ko is 321, and then nag-set ako ng TP sa 500. However, in-adjust ko yung stop loss ko and na-stop out ako sa 380. So, ganun kasi ako pag syempre pag may kita na ako, in-adjust ko yung stop loss ko. Para at least either again at stop loss, or again sa syempre sa TP area ko. And then pagkagising ko kaninang umaga, yun, nag-open ako ng long contracts sa sa Solana. Pero ano siya na-stop out siya agad kasi inantok ako, natulog ako. Pero bago ako matulog, nag-set ako ng stop loss. So, yun. It's a limit stop. Kasi, bakit limit stop yung ginamit ko versus the trailing stop? Kasi napaka-close ko pa lang kasi kanina sa entry price ko. So, pag ganon, ginagamit ko yung limit stop. And then, yeah, na-trade ko din yung sand. And then, yeah, inadjust ko din yung stop loss ko at $1 ko siya nabili. And then, yun. Na-stop out ako sa 1.08. And then, si Avax din. Another na-stop out ako. Konting gains lang siya actually. And then, si SRM, ganun din. Puro stop out. Ina-adjust ko kasi yung stop loss ko, so na-stop out na siya. And then, si Av, nakita ko sa parang alert siya sa group, so entry ako pagkakita ko nun. However, na-stop out din ako sa $400. So parang dami kong na-stop out, ano. And then yun, yung Ethereum perpetual, okay, yeah, I remember. Yeah, it's 3.5. It's 3.4 here, the other half, and then 3.5. So, eto pala is 3.5. And then, di ba nung na-hit yung TP area ko sa 3.5, nag-open ako sa baba, 3,492, just $8 below my previous TP area. And then, yun, in-adjust ko na kanina yung stop loss ko at 3.5 and 3.6 yung yung TP area ko. Yung MTL, in-enter ko siya kanina. However, na-stop out ako agad. Hindi naman. Actually, okay din naman yung gains niya. Kasi nga in-adjust ko din yung SL ko. The reason kung bakit ko siya trinade is meron siyang, nag-grant siya ng license from Georgia. So, yun. Kaya, nagkaroon siya ng volume surge. I think around 2 billion ata. $2 billion. So, yun. Kaya trinade ko siya. At saka nasa top 32 rin siya sa futures. So, yun. Sa perpetual futures. And then, naglong ulit ako. Yun. And then, yeah, meron pa kasi akong remaining 3 orders. So, yun. Kaya hindi ko pa nilagyan ng SL. And then, yung itong BTC, diba, sabi ko nga, yung alert ko is nasa 47,500. Ilang beses siya nagano kanina. Pero ni-stop ko lang siya ngayon para hindi siya tumunog. However, na-stop out din ako. At saka tinitignan ko kanina kasi yung aside from naging second na siya, di ba lagi kasi si BTC Perpetuals ang top volume. Ngayon, nangunguna na si Ethereum kaya medyo hindi ako masyadong nagtitrade kay BTC. So, yun kanina, di ba, ilang beses din siyang dito nag-alert sa 47,500. However, I decided na hindi na lang siya i-trade. And then, magkano na ba siya? Check ko na lang mamaya. And then, si FTT, pumasok ako. I think top 4 siya. Top 4 sa perpetuals. When it comes to volume. And then, yeah, na-stop out ako sa 52.90. However, tinignan ko kasi kung bakit may volume surge sa FTT. So, yun nga, dahil sa partnership with Ledger X ba yun? I think Ledger something. Uy, dapat pala 62 na pala siya. Ang kulit lang dapat pala nadan ako sa sa TV area ko. Kaso, yan. Basta pag may volume, umakyat kasi yung volume. Normally, tinitignan ko yung niya, yung social media channels niya. So, yan, Ledger X. Kaso, nung tinignan ko yung Ledger X, it's para sa mga US lang. So, yan. Pero kahit para sa US lang, of course, it will be added revenue sa FTX or FTT. So, yun. May isa pa akong may ano na to? May naiwan pa akong FTT perpetuals pero ang ginawa ko dito is trailing uh, market trailing stop negative $2. Kasi kanina naglalaro na siya sa 60 something. So instead na itipi ko siya sa 62, nag-enter ako ng market trailing stop. So kasi nung na-stop out ako dito, nag-correct din siya konti and then pumasok ulit ako. So yun. And then yun. And then dahil din doon, yung gains ko dito sa FTT na to and a few of these perpetual contracts, sinettle ko siya sa FTT. And then yun. The rest are stablecoins and fiat USD. And bumili ako pala ng Wana. It's like a farm bill type din siya na play to earn games. So I think yun na yun. Just a few of my transactions. I think meron pa akong iba like hindi ko maalala. Yun lang yung na-list down ko kanina. Sorry. Yeah, I think halos yun lang din naman. Siguro mga ilang, ano na to, parang pabalik-balik lang din ako. So, parang ganun. Pag na-stop out, yun, enter ulit. So, parang ganun lang yung trades ko. So, now let's move on to, siguro ito muna, BTC dominance. Kasi nga, nag-iisip ako kanina, kasi nga, kung napansin nyo, most of my transactions are altcoins. One of the reasons kung bakit altcoins is, of course, yung risk-reward ratio niya is, syempre, mas better. Tignan mo naman, no? Nag-all-time high, may mga nag-all-time high ng alts, pero tong BTC, kanina tinitignan ko sa 47,500, medyo hirap talaga siya. So, yun. O ngayon mo, hindi, wala pa din. Hirap siya sa 47,500 na tinitignan ko na entry level ko sana. So, yun. And aside from that, there's a lot of progress with the altcoins. It's not just the partnership with the corporate businesses but also to some governments. And yun nga, ang isang ding reason is that nangunguna na si Ethereum Perpetual versus BTC. So, napapaisip ako kanina, baka tinitingnan ko to kanina eh. Saan na ba yan? Market cap. Kasi times 2 lang nito, or siguro more than 7,000. Halos equal na sila ni BTC. Doon ang problema lang kasi sa kay Ethereum is yung fees. Medyo mataas. So, yun. So, start na tayo with sa TAs natin. So, unahin natin tong si BTC dominance. So, ang gagamitin ko ngayon is the Renko chart. So, nag-breakdown na siya, oh. Nag-breakdown na siya. So, dito na siya papunta. Dito. Ay, pangit pala to. 39. Pinaka-low nito is sa 35, oh. So, medyo, yun. Medyo nangangain ba siya? Joke lang. Hindi naman, pero, yung rewards niya, hindi na siya ganun ka-attractive. So, yun. So, tinitignan kong support area, sana hopefully mag-hold sa 39. Kasi pag nag-breakdown pa siya doon, i-retest niya itong pinaka-lowest dominance. No, Jake. No! Oh, then, mm. Jake. Jake. No, no. Mm. Sorry. Sorry yung aso namin. Asan na ako? Yun, pag nag-breakdown siya sa 39, possibly retest nyo yung pinaka-low, which is the 35%. So, syempre, pag patuloy na bumaba tong BTC dominance, more altcoins rally. So, yun. So, I think that's it for the BTC dominance. More on, yun, more on bearish ako dun. Kaya sa ano muna ako, sa mga alts muna tayo. Ay, ako pala. Ako pala. Anyway. So, with that, share ko ulit itong ano. Yeah, pwede nyo din siyang puntahan actually. Mas maganda para at least you can also look into it. Kung wala pa kayong trading view, you can open one. May free naman subscription like me. Free subscription ako. Matipid ako eh. Kulit lang eh. So, yan. Nag ano na pala siya. Nag-close na yung ano monthly candle and then starting with this month's candle. So I think conservative estimate lang muna tayo that more it could possibly hit 100 more than 100,000 by year end, more or less. Kung tutuloy-tuloy siyang uptrend within this um trend kasi long term uptrend pa rin naman siya. And then kung sakali man na ulitin niya to, a 37% retracement, possibly i-retest niya ulit yung um, almost low over the last few months, which is the 30,000 area. Pag nag-breakdown siya doon, pinaka worst case is to fill the 9,700 CMC gap, or that's also the May 6, 2018 when BTC hit 39% BTC dominance. So I think yun lang siya. And puntahan natin sa more on swing trades, or I mean short term view ko lang sa kanya on a daily time frame. Pero ang gagamitin ko dito, yeah, actually I can just use the Renko chart. Nakita nyo, it's actually forming a possible uh, bearish Renko, pero maliit pa siya. So, posible pa rin na magtuloy-tuloy siya. So, sa ngayon, yung tinitignan kong point of entry ko is the 47,500 area. Which is, tingin ko nahihirapan siya, 'di ba? Ilang ano na siya diyan eh. Ilang alarms nga kaya ako kanina bago ko stop. Dami. So, yun. So, siguro kapag finally nasa 6 levels na siguro siya, yung talagang solid na papunta na siya doon. Maybe I'll try to enter, pero baka konting positions lang kasi nga mas attractive sa akin yung mga altcoins. So, yun. So, ito lang. Sabi ko nga, each Renko bar, you can use it as a support and resistance, yung taas at saka babang body niya. So, 42,500 area yung tinitignan kong very strong support area. Kung sakali man na mag 42,500. Though tinitignan ko na yung 47.5 as possible entry point. Ano lang ako ngayon, mostly longs lang ako. Unless na lang nagbabantay ako and I can do some shorts. And then, yun. Resistance is, yun nga, immediate resistance yung 47,500. And pag nag-breakout siya doon, the 50,000 area. Strong resistance around the 58 area. Yun yung tinitignan ko. So, kung titignan mo siya, I mean dito, RRR, long position. Ay, did I click it? Hindi nga siya 1.94 lang siya. So kaya yun, less ko siyang i-trade for the coming days. So dun muna ako sa alts, in my opinion, of course, in my own personal trades. So yun, and yeah, I think let's check on this one. Ko lang i-remove ko lang siya. At magano tayo ng trend. Ano kasi lumabas na din kasi siya. Nag-breakdown siya dyan sa trend. So, possibly the 44 area. To. Kaya ako is, yeah. I think the 47,500, medyo nga siya Kung etong candlestick ang titignan natin, baka ma-reject ulit siya. Ang kulit lang And, resistance the 50,000 something. 50,000, I think 50,500 to. 50,000. 50,000. So, kung ako, syempre kung daily yan, hindi ko yan iti-trade. Kasi mas malaking possible loss ko over the Kung immediate immediate support and resistance lang titignan natin. Kasi syempre yung point of entry natin sa stop loss at saka sa TP area natin, syempre nakadepende yan sa traders. Kasi ako mostly, kita mo naman, this is just a few of my transactions. So, syempre, hindi ko yan iti-trade, diba? Mas may attractive pa dyan. Kung i-measure natin yan, mas malaki yung possible loss ko dyan I think it's just 1:1. 0.75. Pangit. So, yun. But anyway, so yun. Yun lang masasabi ko for now. Nahirapan siya So, yun. Siguro pag na-reclaim niya ulit yung spot niya sa futures na maging na number 1, so maybe I'll try to reconsider trading it in the next few days. Pero sa ngayon, it's muna, bantay-bantay lang siguro muna. So, I think that's it for now. And then, anyway, just feel free to ask if you have some questions. And then, eto tayo sa Ethereum. Lagi ganun. Tanggalin lang natin yung yung pag nagtitrade kasi ako, I mean, since ginagamit natin yung trading view streams, ang pwede lang natin gamiting chart is of course yung kanilang chart. So, but normally when I trade, since scalp and swing trades ako, I use 1 hour time frame. And normally it's a Renko chart. So, yun. So, I think nakita nyo na din to. Kung nanood kayo kagabi ba? Kagabi. So, nag-breakout na siya sa 3,300, around 3,300. So, yun. Actually, mas magandang i-trade siya normally ako nagtitrade ako upon breakout, of course. Ayaw kong i-trade yung nagko-consolidate. Ang kulit lang. Mas magandang i-trade yung, ma-action. Ma-action talaga eh. Next resistance na tinitignan ko is the 4,200 area. Pero pag sa Renko bar kasi, napansin nyo kanina, yung TP ko is 3,600. No! 3,600. Kasi yun yung next resistance using the Renko chart. At saka yung ibang contracts ko naman na na-realize ko is I settled it in Ethereum. So, makaka-ride pa rin ako kung sakali mang umakyat na tuloy-tuloy si Ethereum. So, yan. So, to end that. So, at this area, check ko lang kung ano. So, normally kasi pag nagdi-trade ako, there's always risk-reward ratio. So, compared kanina sa BTC, yung immediate support and resistance niya, 0.75, si Ethereum mas rewarding. So, eto na lang yung i-trade ko, si Ethereum na lang, 2.46. That's my own personal strategy, of course. So, depende sa inyo. Kasi pwede din naman kayong mag-set ng mas mababa or mas higher na risk-reward ratio. So, nakadepende yun sa trader. So, for me, tingin ko is tutuloy si Ethereum over the next few days to retest the 4,200 area. So, kapag nag-breakout siya doon, yun, kunin na lang natin yung or gamitin natin yung fib kung sakali mang na siya doon, mag-breakout siya sa previous, sa all-time high. Mag-breakout siya dito sa 4,000 something, 4,400. So, 6,000 na siya. Pag 6,000 na siya at hindi bumagal yung pag-akyat neto, I think mas higher chances nga na i-flip ni Ethereum si BTC. I don't know. Let's see. So, I think that's it. Pero tingin ko after breakout sa all-time high, magko-correct naman siya din. And then, on pullback, saka ako pumapasok. Kung sakali man. I-breakout niya yan. So, and then, ano pa ba? Ano pa bang pwede nating tignan ngayon? So, I think yun yung majority na tinitignan ko, normally. Ano ba yung kanina? Si FTX pala, no? FTX. I think meron siya dito. Si FTT? Saan ba siya dyan? Mahanap. Saan siya? Sorry. Dito na lang. Or FTT. Prep tayo. Ito. Ay. Anyari? Ay. Ayun. So, ayun, no? Na-share ko ata to kanina. Ang laking candle, oh. Kaya kanina, di ba, nung nag-62 area siya, market trailing stop na ako eh. Sa market trailing stop, negative $2. So, para at least nakaka-ride pa rin siya kung tutuloy-tuloy siyang umakyat. And then, yun, kapag nag-correct siya, from the peak, -2, yun na yung aking stop loss area. So, yun. Tingin ko magtutuloy siya. Tignan mo naman, oh, ang laki ng um, a very bullish candle. Yun pa lang. And with volume. With volume talaga eh. Of course, dapat laging may volume. Kasi kung walang volume, tapos bigla siyang umakyat, eh, matakot ka na. Matakot ka. Baka pump and dump lang yun. Kaya, yun ang gusto ko kasi sa futures eh. Meron siyang liquidity. So, yun. Do you see a bear market in BTC? At the moment, mm, actually, it's a very hard question. But I'm not trading BTC at the moment because of its risk reward ratio is not that attractive. And as you can see, the trend here, it's already it break down from the uptrend area. So yeah, for me, it's much better if I'll go long if, of course, if it will go back to this uptrend area. For now, yeah, I trade it actually today. But after a few alerts at 47,500, I did not trade it because of, yeah, I was thinking of the uh, risk reward, which is not that much attractive. And the BTC dominance uh, is also decreasing or declining over the past, I think, how many, from here to there, that's over the past more than 1 month, 35 days. So yeah, I think one of the reasons, because that's why the BTC dominance is decreasing, is because most of the users, I think it's on the alts, because at the end of the day, as trader, you will trade or you will hold something that you think it will give you more possible profit. Currently, I mean, a while ago, I also checked my futures wallet and some other wallets. And when I look into that, actually, I have just a little amount of BTC and more on holding altcoins and stable coins. So there. But I do trade BTC perpetuals. But I'm not this year I'm not that much buying BTC. The possible, yeah, it's already 5,000. I mean 47,500 again. Wait, let's look into this. Oh, uh, but for institutionals, I think most of them um have BTC holdings. Oh, there's a bull on the 3 hours time frame. Yeah, yeah. There's a bullish divergence on 3 hours here. It's going up, going down. So might possibly retest the 50,000 area. So if you're it could possibly as scalp trades or swing trades depending on how, since there is a bullish divergence in 3 hours time frame, you can actually check on that. But however, it really depends on the trader, because there are traders that will just buy and hold, or there are swing traders like me or scalp traders, and the one that will hold for long-term hold. So if this continues, more or less that's more or less rewarding on 3 hours time frame because there's also a bullish divergence in it. So I think that's it. However, yeah, it's still for me. It's since it did not yet. I mean, it break down already. So yeah, maybe it's just a possible uh bounce, bounce, and then um it might uh if it did not break this area, the uptrend line there could possibly retest that one, the 44 area. That's the immediate support that I'm looking at if it did not hold at this area. Mm. But long term, I think BTC will still be a good to hold, a good to hold. Pero wala na akong masyadong BTC. Ang kulit lang. Yeah. I mean, I think it depends. Kasi nung nagsisimula ako 2016, 'di ba? Parang nagawan ko siya ng videos eh. Nag-start ako cashing in 20 pesos araw-araw 'yon nung October 14, 2016 hanggang I think 2017. And then kasi after kong makaipon, then nag-ICO surge naman. ICO, there's a lot of ICOs. And doon naman ako. And then yun, nag-out ako January 2018. What altcoins are you currently trading? Well, I trade a lot of altcoins. I trade a lot of altcoins, mostly perpetuals. Um, and then from that perpetual gains, I'm actually accumulating a few alts, like for example, si FTT, and then it's DAG. I think it's one of the altcoins that I plan to accumulate, and then yeah, I think I bought last week FTM and what else? Sorry, I can't recall the others. Can't recall the others. Yeah, I'm just looking at it. I think I also, yeah, I bought some, this one. That's this one, the rose. Yeah, I think if I'm buying something, it's mostly I'm investing long term on coins. Tokens, yeah, I can ride the hype. I mean hype, really hype. But yeah, I don't plan to hold it long term. Because I think in the future, it's a battle of coins, not a battle of tokens. Because at the end of the day, kasi syempre, di ba, kung may sarili ka kasing blockchain, syempre, mas madaming apps ang gagamit nun ng network mo. So, kung mas madaming users ang gagamit nun, edi syempre, uh, more revenues at the end of the day, dun pa rin naman papupunta on the valuation side. Parang more or less similar din siya sa traditional. Medyo may ano lang siya, ano na to, advanced lang din. So, ganun. Stay in Bitcoin for long term. Yeah, someone said here, stay for Bitcoin for long term. So, anyway, it's actually really depends on your plans. But for me personally, I just have a few holdings in Bitcoin at the moment. And then more on altcoins. And altcoins, not tokens. I mean coins, not tokens. And then what else? Do you have other chart requests? If none, I may end this stream. What did I discuss? Just Ethereum and BTC, I think. Oh yeah. Let's look at this one. No, no. Just fall short for my TP area, the 3,600. But I think it will hit that hit my TP before it could possibly correct. This is the Ethereum one. And then Solana. I also trade Solana today, but this is more on swing trades. Normally I use the 1 hour time frame when I'm trading. Okay. Let's look at the daily time frame. I see. That's why. I see. Seems like it's here. There. Seems like it's holding at $108. So next possible target, it will retest again the 3.618, the 130 area. Nagano ba siya? Kaso ano lang siya eh. Kaso medyo overbought pa din siya eh. So, RRR nito parang 1:1 lang siya oh. On a daily time frame. So, yun. And this one. Yeah, nagano naman siya. Kasi most of the altcoins naman ngayon, nagano na siya eh, nag-golden cross na sila. Mostly. Ang gamit ko na EMA is 30 at saka 60 days. Bakit 30 and 60 days? Kasi meron naman akong less noise chart which is yung siren ko. So, kung titignan mo siren ko, tuloy-tuloy pa rin nga siya. Itong si Solana. I think a lot of coins actually are rallying altcoins. So, there. And a lot of NFT games. But I'm not much on NFTs. I mean the games. But I do hold some. Like for example, the My DeFi Pet. I'm playing the one that could chill me out when I'm trading. Yung mga farm bill type lang. Ayoko ng mga battle. So yun. Okay. Dito pa lang oh. Nag-ano pala siya dito. Nag-104 ba siya kaninang umaga? Wait lang close sa 104. Hindi ko pala tinignan to. But na-trade ko siya. Okay. Ayun, no? So, i-retest niya ulit yung previous high, which is the 127 sa Renko chart. Kung tumuloy-tuloy siya dyan, yeah, there is yung 4618 na fib. Close to $150. Wow, Laki din pala ng gains nitong si Solana, And then, yeah, ito din yung isang favorite ko na trade, si Avax. Puro mga ano na. Yan Ganda rin siya. Na-trade ko ba to kanina? Or hindi ko siya nalagay. Saan na ba yan? Yan. Na-trade ko siya. Pero na-stop out ako. Yun. So, nag-hold siya doon sa baba. Below the golden fib, 0.618, around the 39. And possibly, next na i-retest ito sa dito sa area na to. Close to 0.786 fib. So, yun. At this area, so, Parang 1:1 lang din siya. Unless na lang is yung TP area ko is the all-time high. Pero tingin ko mag-all-time high ulit naman siya. I mean, i-retest niya ulit yung previous high. So, yun. Kasi kung eto lang siya, of course, I will not trade this. Unless na lang is I'm looking on a shorter time frame. 'Di ba? Kasi kung TP area mo yan, and yan, yun. Kasi pag nagtitrade ako, it's more on, unang-una is of course, kailangan liquid siya and attractive yung risk-reward ratio. Kung hindi, ay, kaya napansin nyo, most of my trades ay nasa top 32 futures. And then, kung mai-hold ako ng magandang coins, yun, binibili ko siya. So, yun, 1 point ano lang siya eh, kapag yun lang yung target mo. So, yun. So, nakadepende yan sa trader. But, since nag-hold naman na siya, I think it will retest the $50 area in the next few days. So, yun. Abangan nyo na lang yung possible breakout niya doon sa $50. Pag nag-breakout, of course, the $60 area. Support at, what's that? $39. So, I think that's it. 12 ano naman na pala. Uy, FTM. Pero bumaba na siya ng konti. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga coins ngayon yung nag-all time high. I mean, altcoins. With blockchains, altcoins with their own blockchains. Kasi coins kasi is, yeah, may sariling blockchain. There's quite a lot. Quite much. But mostly top futures. Like, what? Ethereum. Ethereum, what else? Ethereum, Solana, and then FTT. Ano pa ba yun? Avax, I think. And a few more. A few more. Depending on the day. I did not even write BNB and Kosama. Kasi depende rin sa araw eh. Kasi 'di ba nung mga nakaraang araw, ito yung nag all-time high o kaya ang laki ng volume, 'di ba nung nakaraang araw si Sand ata yun. Then after Sand, sino bang sumunod after Sand? Nakalimutan ko na. So yun. So nakaka-ride ako sa mga medyo mostly makikita mo kung trade ko yung yung nasa top volume. Tas minsan, syempre, pag tinitignan ko yung platform, syempre yung top traded muna. And then, yung tinitignan ko yung gainers at saka yung losers. Kasi kung merong losers na nakita kong, pa-reverse na, trade ko din yun. So, ganun ako mag-trade. Tsaka, mostly, parang medyo madami akong trades eh. Medyo madami akong trades yan. Stay in Bitcoin for long term. So, sabi naman ni CMart32. So, if you have no other questions, if you have no questions, I'll end the stream in a minute. I'll end the stream in a minute. Let's para sana mag-correct naman siya. Friday na. Hindi. Friday pala hindi. Thursday pala. Thursday pala ngayon. And then Friday Friday. Mostly Friday, ano eh. Mostly Friday at saka weekend. And hindi ako masyadong nagtitrade. So, yun. O, anong na nangyari sa Dogecoin? Dogecoin. Nung mga parang last few months, di ba, medyo okay din tong si Dogecoin. Eh ngayon, hindi siya kasi masyadong nasa top. So, hindi ko masyado ding trade. Si Axie pala. Si Axie. Ano na palang nangyari? Check natin si Axie. Um, Nahirapan siya. Oh. Pero nagko-consolidate lang siya at this area. So, might as well. Pero nag-hold siya eh. So, baka i-retest niya ulit. Parang within the range lang siya. Consolidate nga. Sa, yun, 69 and tsaka 80. Pero tingin ko, bias ko is, yun, i-retest niya yung 80. So, might as possibly, check ko siya bukas. Wait, check natin ah. Kasi maganda rin kayang i-trade si, si Axie. Parang nung last few weeks, ito yung lagi kong tinitrade eh, kasi volatile siya. Kaya lang kasi hindi ko siya tinitrade this week is that yung volume niya, medyo bumaba siya eh. Dati kasi nasa top 3, 4, 5 siya. So, yun. Ayun oh. So, pwede ko pala siyang i-trade bukas. So, yun. Depende kung paano to mag-close. Tingin ko tingin ko possible doji pa nga yan mag-close eh. So, let's see. Wait lang. Check natin yung sa lower time frame. And dito. Cat. No. Ayun oh. Mukha naman siyang nag-hold. So, pwede ko pala siyang i-trade din mamaya. After this stream. So, I think nag-hold siya sa 69. Kasi yung alert ko dati, it's sa 65. 65, 69. Ito nga ang level na yun. Mas madami lang kasing mas volatile na futures. Kaya dun ako. But anyway, I'll check this one. Possibly it will retest the $80 area. Pag nag-breakout siya doon, next target is $100. Wow. Grabe ah. Alain mo yun sa Axie, $100. Wait lang ah. Check natin yung ano niya. Dito pala pwede rin. Top 40. Bumaba siya, no? Bumaba siya kasi nga bumaba din yung price niya. So, I think yun na siya. If you have no other questions, just i-end ko na pala tong stream. And then, see you again next time. Hopefully, everyone is trading well. Bye, guys! So, end natin siya in a minute. Yan ko na siya. Stop streaming.